Good morning, YouTubers. It is March 10th, Thursday, March 2022, rather. It is 8:40. I'm just getting going here. Haven't turned it on. It seems like the Nasdaq, here's trading the NQ. It is down, looks like 179 points at this point of the day. And the VIX is at 32.6, so she's moving pretty good. So, I haven't started it yet, but I think I'm going to do it right here. Let's see what the auto ripper does. Looks like it's been kind of going sideways for a little while. Let's see if we can catch a move here and make our $1,000 and call it a day.
Order submitted.
There we go. Let's see what she does. Come on down. Flush out. That a girl. Flush out.
Order canceled.
There we go.
Order filled.
Okay, our first one. It'll probably wash down 382 for right now. Let's see what it does. Actual is $164. It hit that first target. See how it's going sideways right in here? See what it does. Must not be happy with that move. It took this pullback. See if she's going to pull back down and then rip up again. Looks like it's trying to rally. She's moving down. Yeah, we might get something here. She's still moving pretty good.
Order filled. Order canceled.
Let's see if we can get a move down. There we go. Keep her moving down.
Order filled.
Okay. There's the second one. Successful. This little move here and that little move there adds up to 329. Ah, there it is. So if you did that and just walked away, you'd make about $10,000 for the month every day. See if we get a little bit more. We might get something here too. Trading 5 contracts. See how fast it's moving? It just keeps coming back. I might, since we're up 300, see what it does in the next one. It's kind of, see what direction they want to do. There is resistance at 13,555, which puts it right about here. Right about the top of that, right there. And there is support down here at 13,486. Puts it right about here. Yeah, right there. See it? Over to the left. So see which way they want to move it. Looks like the sellers.
Order canceled.
Let's let it run up. Yeah.
Order canceled.
There's 800. I'll let it settle down a little bit. Yeah, that's 800. So I'm going to let it settle down a little bit because it's moving pretty quick. It's all right for the auto ripper. It can handle it, but like I said before, I'm a conservative. And with this volatility, it's anybody's guess. You wind up giving it back, and I don't want to give that back. So we started at 8:39, I believe. It's 8:45. Another 5-6 minutes. And we got that, and that's nothing to sneeze at. Let's see what we got for commissions, fees. Looks like $61. So 848, so about a $700 day. It's just moving really quick right now. Okay, well, I think I am going to call that good because I'm happy with that. So thank you for watching, and I'll do some more recordings next week.